you can pick different lights and stuff. It's really neat. You've got that light color, this light color. It's a lot more yellow. Yeah, 6,000. All right, guys, I bought a ceiling fan off Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description for this type. It had good reviews. It was a cheap price. It was like less than 80 bucks. And essentially what I did up there is I exposed all the wires, and then I'll go up there and show you some more here in a sec. But if you look closely, you'll see, right now I'm dangling this. It comes with this little chain, which is nice. That way you can wire it while it's up there. And so I'm gonna wire the white to white, the black to the black, and this green to this copper, okay? And you'll just use the little screws. Let me show you. Right here, these guys. You're gonna use these, okay? So, white to white, black to black, and you're good to go. And then you're gonna clamp this to that so you can be hands-free and connect these. And that's all you have to do. The big thing is just make sure you turn off the power, and I'll show you over there. I just put a tape over the power switch, but honestly, I recommend you guys kill it at the circuit breaker. But this works for me. I know there's no power, and again, you guys want to be more safe than sorry. So, all right, I'm going to connect it, and then I'll show you what it looks like. But once that goes in, essentially, I'm going to slide this in. Right here, you've got these little notches, and those notches will go onto the screws. There's 4 of them, and then you just twist it so it latches right there. Okay, you're just going to twist it so it latches. And it should be really quick, painless, and easy, to be honest. This is probably one of the easiest installs I've ever had. I had that ceiling fan before, and it works good. It's really big. So here we go. All right, guys, so there's the ceiling fan. You got to make sure you first put that circle in, and then you screw it in well. You can see the screws I put in. I put 4 in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I also screwed it right there, that little gold screw, just a little extra to give it the strength to hold this lamp up, okay? Now, if you look close, I connected the white wire to the white wire, black wire to the black wire, okay? Green wire to the copper wire. All right, it's very simple. You're gonna use those little orange twisty caps, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest. All right, so you've got those screws, you've got that. I've already put all the twisty ties in. You shove the wires back into the middle. You don't really have to. All you do is just take this, slide it up into the screws, the 4 screws that you've got, and you're done. Guys, like, it's pretty easy. I'll show you. That was it. That was easy. Guys, that was way too easy. Look at this. It's already in. All right, so you're gonna see that I just have to screw those down. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, on that side. And it looks good. It's done. But before we screw it in, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the power on. I gotta touch up the paint a little bit, but otherwise it looks really good. So I'm gonna turn the power on. Here's the switch. Turn the switch on. Guys, let there be light. And it was, and it's working great. Okay, I'm loving it so far. It looks pretty bright. We're gonna mess with it. We've got the remote, but guys, that was an easy install. So good luck with everything. Don't electrocute yourself. If you've got a wall stud finder, use it. It will make things more secure. I have one. Honestly, I couldn't find a very good place I couldn't find a good stud. So either that or my stud finder really sucks. But guys, that's it. Over and out. Guys, it's working great. Okay, so I highly recommend it. I love the remote setting. It's got different light. You can pick different lights and stuff. It's really neat. You've got that light color, this light color. It's a lot more yellow. Yeah, K color, 5000 K color. I'm liking it, guys. It's really cool. It's got 6 speeds of fan, which make it really fast. That's the lowest setting right now. Here's the fastest setting. This is what it sounds like. Not too bad, actually. Over and out. Fan is working great. I got this off Amazon. I'll make sure to put the link in the description. I highly recommend it. It's got 6 speeds for the fan, which is awesome. It's really small, but it's actually really powerful. And guys, it was super easy to install. Okay, like if I didn't have to videotape this, it would have taken me like 5 minutes or something ridiculous. Just connect the wires, white to white, black to black, green to copper, and you just twist it to latch it in. Really simple, really easy. It works really efficient, guys. Give it one of these.